Multi-tools were designed for using in tight, difficult-to-reach places. But what if that space is even smaller or even tighter? Well, Ryobi's ONE+ multi-tool was designed with this in mind. Its pivoting head can lock into 4 different positions, allowing you to access previously inaccessible workspaces. It comes with a variety of accessories: a flush cutting blade for cutting right up to a surface without damaging it, a plunge cutting blade, sanding pad, and universal accessory adapter, making this tool compatible with any brand of accessories. Changing the accessory has also never been easier. With this toolless system, you'll never have to worry about finding your hex key. Allowing you to focus on your work. The multi-tool's 3.2-degree oscillation and 6-position variable speed wheel provides ultimate control for cutting drywall, metal, wood, plastic, composite, and many other materials. When used with our 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, the multi-tool can do up to 750 plunge cuts in 13mm pine. This multi-tool is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the ONE+ system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this innovative cordless multi-tool will work with any ONE+ battery.